Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 22. Yes. Today is January 22, 2022 as well, guys. And today is Saturday. My husband and our neighbor are working together because you know what, guys? Our neighbor, they are giving us the greenhouse. So my husband and our neighbor, they are moving the greenhouse structure. That's why Everest is so nervous because she wants to go out, but we didn't let her and Russell because the gate is open and we are afraid if they go and run away, and we live also near the road, so we don't like them to something bad will happen to them. So better Evie will stay here and Russell, of course, and my husband and our neighbor will work. Will work peacefully, guys. What is it? We are going to put the greenhouse behind or at the back, guys, in our backyard. And I am not sure if we can put the fence or not, so let's see. But crossing my finger that yes, we can put the fence. And look, the bikers, Haley.
Huh? Oh wow,
So many bikers just passed. So guys, they are going to install our greenhouse this side. Yes, so here is the backyard. We plan to put the greenhouse here, guys, because we really want that this part of our place is the orchard. Alright guys, so today is 3 weeks of these eggs, the salted eggs, so let's try it, okay? And I will show you guys the result later. I'm going to boil it, maybe 3 only, just to try. So the day has come, let's try it. So everyone, this is how it looks like, the maalat na itlog or salted egg. And yes, it is really salted and it is so good. I'm going to slice tomato and then eat it. Hello guys, good afternoon. So we have the excavator, guys, and he is excavating some of the plants that we don't like, because we are taking the things or the plants that we don't like, and the excavator is there already, and we'll show you this. I'm not sure if you can see. Look at Sanyo. Alright guys, so they took out already one of the plant in there and another plant in here, and the yuccas, we asked them to take out the yuccas, the green plant, and the other one there as well. My husband took it already. He cut the stems the other day, but the roots, my husband couldn't take it. My husband couldn't cut it, so this senor helped us. They're all okay now. And the next step that we are going to do, can you see guys, our greenhouse is not done yet. As you all can see, our greenhouse is not totally done yet. It's here. Can you see it? Can you see this beautiful greenhouse? And see what I am telling you. this one. Can you see, guys? So El Señor took it from there and then he covered it again. So yeah. Good job, Daddy.
On the fence we will see this week.
Yes. Hello, guys. So let's go and burn the plants that they removed, guys, the other day. Okay, let's go and burn them. And also I'm going to burn also the worm, guys. They call it processionary. This kind of worm is black and white like stripe, and normally they live in the pine tree, and it is very dangerous for our dogs, guys, because it has these like fur, how they call this, fur, or like a small thin hair, which is very, very itchy for the dog when they eat them. That is why, guys, I'm going to burn these. These are the yuccas. Yes, the yuccas and these ones. We are going to burn them because this afternoon our living Buddha neighbor is coming to help us to till the soil, guys, using a small tractor. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, this plant is very heavy because you know what? It's full of soil. The soil is intact in here. That is why it's very, very heavy. Oh my gosh, I think I have to remove the soil first. My husband carried it this morning, and yeah, it's burning, and it's also burning at the other side. Yes, guys, in autumn and in winter we are allowed to burn, but in summer, in summer until I think until September, something like that, or first week of October, or I think only around summer, guys, I'm not sure. And it's not allowed to burn anything because, you know, the fire. That is why, guys. And now we are allowed to burn, so we can burn the things as long as we can. And I'm going to show you guys the fence that my husband and our neighbor did last Saturday, and it is very nice, guys. You won't believe how the fence is, guys, so beautiful. So my husband is now burning the insects or the worms. And the dogs are enjoying our company. Aya cariño, ¿dónde está la flama? Aquí. Molve, sí.
Sí, porque ya está parado, ¿no?
Look. Can you see? Can you see the worms? Wait, Daddy. Let's see. Let's show the people. Let's show them. Can you see, guys? Those are the worms. And they are dangerous for the dogs.
They are dead already.
Alright, guys. So here are the pellets that they are using for our fence. here. Here they are, and this is what it looks like now, guys. And as I've said, that our neighbor is coming later to move to till the soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. What a pity, because the garlic, can you see? The garlic started to sprout, guys, as you can see. Look. Here is another garlic. And another one that's big already, can you see? And another one in there. This one. That one. And also another in here. That's why, guys. Ayan. Oh, what a pity, huh? What a pity. And we are going to take this out. Look, Daddy, there are how many? 5, I think. 5 garlics. Shh, Abby.
You can transplant them.
Abby.
Lo prima experiment. Ay, 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 que esto no ya.
Okay, so I'm going to transplant this one. I'm going to put in the pot. Huh, Daddy? I'm going to put in a pot. Huh? And look, our greenhouse. And guys, look at this tree. This tree is almond tree. Almond tree or cherry tree, I don't know, because last year we didn't see any fruit because it was frozen. Yes, the flowers were frozen. That's why. I think this one is, what do you think this one, Daddy? Almond? Almond tree? No.
Cherry, maybe.
Oh, I think so, yes. It's a kind of cherry. I think, yeah, cherry tree. Okay, guys, so this is the look of our backyard. And we are going to put the fence there, guys. This one. And that one is for the dog's house. I mean, they don't go there, but they only go there if we have special occasions, so they won't escape. And look, that's the house. This is the tool's house, and then there's the small house. The small house or the guest house. And our poor artichokes, I'm not sure if we are going to have artichokes this year. Can you see that? I think they need water. Because you know what, guys, there's no rain these days. Many months already that we don't have rain, and that is why it's very dry here. Alright, guys, so let's take this out. And I'm going to keep this one because I'm going to use it to plant as well. The weather is so beautiful, and I am just wearing a very thin sweater. Yes, it's like spring, guys.